Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking use Gauss elimination method to solve the following system of linear equations. So whenever they ask Gauss elimination, we have to bring this in a upper triangular format and then solve the equation. So in this case, let's copy the matrix down. So it's 0x because we don't have x right here. So it's going to be 0x, then 2y, 1z, and over here we have 1x minus 2y and 3 minus 3z, and here we have minus 1, 1, 2, and the other side we have minus 8, 0, 3. So let's do this one. So in this case, if you see the 0, so we have to bring all the value below the diagonal equal to 0. So whenever they say Gauss elimination, that's what it means. So whatever the value below the diagonal should be equal to 0. In this case, if you see the first row, we have a 0 in the first column, right? But we don't need that for the first column. But if we switch that for second column, that will be useful. It will reduce our steps. So we can swap this one with the second column, the second row. So if I swap this one, let's see what happens. Minus 2, minus 3, and here we will get 0. Then this will be my second column, second row. So this one is 0, 2, 1, minus 8. Then this is going to be minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Now what I have to do, I have to make this one 0. To do this, I can simply add the first equation and the second equation, third equation. So if I do that one, I will get minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0. Then 0 to 1 minus 8. Here I'm adding the first equation with the third equation. So r1 plus r3, which will give us 0. Minus 2 plus 1 is going to be minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is going to be minus 1. And 0 plus 3 is going to be 0. Now the only thing I have to make it so only this one is left to make it 0. So in this case, what I can do is, first of all, I make this one into positive. So if I want to make this one positive, I have to multiply by negative 1. So let's do that. 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3, here 0, 0 to 1 minus 8. And if I multiply this one by negative 1, this is going to become 0, 1, 1. Here we have minus 3. And also I can swap this one with the second row to make this one easier. So you can do whatever method you want. You can divide this one by 2 and add, but that's a little bit complicated. But if I swap and do this one, that will be much easier. So let's swap it. 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0. And if I swap this one, this is going to become 0, 1, 1, minus 3. And the third one is going to be 0, 2, 1, and this is going to be minus 8. Now to eliminate, to make this one 0, I can multiply the second equation by negative 2 and add it to the third equation. So let's see what happens if I do that. This will become 1 minus, this will be 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0. The second equation is going to be itself, so 0, 1, 1, minus 3. So if I want to make this one 0, I have to multiply the second equation by negative 2. So it's going to be negative 2r2 plus r3. So if I do that, I will make this one 0. So this is going to be 0. And if I multiply this one by negative 2 and add it to this one, this is going to be minus 1. And here we will get plus 6. Plus 6 minus 8 is going to be minus 2. Minus 2. So now I can make the third column positive by simply multiplying by negative 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 3, 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 3, 0, 0, 1, 2. Then I can now we brought the pattern that Gauss elimination method requires, that upper triangular pattern. So in this case this is upper triangle, right? So values below the diagonals are 0. So now we are ready to go. Now we have the solution rate right here, that z is equal to 2. So I am taking this one as x column, y column, z column. So that's how z is equal to 2. And also we know that y plus z is equal to minus 3. Therefore y plus, I am substituting this 2. So it's going to be y plus 2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 5. And then I can find the x by substituting this to this equation. So it's going to be x minus 2y minus 3 c is equal to 0. And if I substitute these values, x minus 2 times minus 5 plus 10, minus 3 times 2 is going to be minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 4. So the final answer is minus 4, minus 5 and 2. And that is the solution for this equation, this question. And that's how it's done. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.